that, it is important to make sure that those pivot points are in the right place. Same too with the head. If you select the head, you'll see now that the head, if we go to a left view, the head rotation point is actually nicely positioned at the base of the head, right where the neck and the head meet. And there's this ball object here, and that's actually going to be the rotation point for the head. So the head controller, and then all we do is link the head geometry to the controller. So that's what we're going to do now. Just go to a top view, and I'm going to start out with the fingers. And the way this basically works, if I was to grab this hand joint, this wrist joint, and move it, nothing is connected to it. If I grab the hand, nothing is connected to it. So the first thing we need to do is link any geometry to its corresponding controller. And as I've mentioned, we're not going to be touching any geometry in the animation process. The only geometry we're going to be touching are the fingers. So grab your link tool, this is your select and link tool, and I'm going to grab the hand, click, drag to the dummy, and you'll see now that when I select the dummy and move it, the hand goes with it. If I rotate the dummy, the hand goes with it, and that's exactly what I need. Later on, we're going to freeze this hand so the animator can't touch it. I'm going to grab the lower arm, click and drag to the elbow joint. I'm going to take the upper arm, I'm going to click and drag to the shoulder joint, and you'll see now that if I was to grab that shoulder, the upper arm moves with it, grab the elbow, the lower arm moves with it, but the wrist gets left behind. So now all we do is we take the wrist and link it to the elbow, and we take the elbow and link it to the shoulder. So now if I grab my shoulder, we'll ignore the fingers for now, and rotate the shoulder, the whole arm goes with it. If I rotate the elbow, just the lower arm, and if I rotate the wrist, it's just the hand, which is exactly what we're looking for. Now with the fingers, what we do is we link from the tip back to the base, and the tip is the child of the next one. The middle knuckle is the child of the next one, or the base knuckle, and then the base is the child of the dummy, not the hand. Don't link the base knuckles to the hand, because remember, we're going to be freezing that hand later on. We'll just do the thumb and the base to the dummy. So now if we grab the dummy and rotate it, the whole hand and the fingers go with it. And if I double click on